Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. We've got January's mystery tackle box here with us. Let's go ahead and get it open and see what's inside. Oh, and I also got a new knife. I love this little thing. It's an old timer. I ordered it from Bass Pro Shop. It's got a wooden handle. Super nice. Y'all should check it out. I'll put a link in the description for you. See, here's our what's inside card. You can go ahead and take a look at it and pause it if you'd like. First up is Bill Lewis's SB57. It is going to be a crankbait. It is in the color Sneaky Shad. If I can get it out. It does have a little rattle ball in this one, or some type of rattle. The bill is not your typical square bill. It's got like the edges are cut off. So I like it. The colors are real nice. Hooks are sharp. Next up, we have Phoenix Baits all-purpose jig. This is a 3/8 ounce jig. And look what color. Looks like we got some purple, black, and brown. So look at that. Nice little skirt to help make it weedless. It's a nice little jig. Next up, Lane Fork Trophy Lures Hyper Stick. These are a little different. They look like your regular stick worm, but they're cut so if you do the Wacky Rig, it kind of goes ahead and helps fall, I guess you could say. They got a real strong garlic and salt smell. And if you want, you can pause that, look at it and whatnot. Then we have our spear point hooks, which I have gotten these before. I love these little guys. Super nice hooks. And then X-Zone Lure Adrenaline Bug Junior, which, looking at the color, purple shadow is what the color is. I can't talk. Would pair up really nicely with the jig. It's a real nice purple color. Says these are the claws are floating. It says floating claws. I have to give Mystery Tackle Box, they tend to, when they send you a jig, they tend to always team it up with some type of trailer. So, and then our sticker for this month. And it looks like they've changed it up. It's not the usual Dibble Fishing Tips and Tricks. A little different cover. I should have some more content coming, some boat maintenance stuff. I'll be changing the spark plugs in mine, also with the foot oil, and getting it ready for fishing season, which it needs to hurry up and get here. Until next time, like, subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching.